Don't move. Morning, guys. It's 8:08. What's today? Sunday? No, Saturday morning. Whew, I'm getting confused with the days. Or what time is it? I said 8:08, and we're off to the beach. We're going to Salty Bryan?
Yep.
Salty Bryan. We haven't been there, guys, in a while. So, it's 73 right now. Sunny. I see blue sky. So should have a good weather day. And then we have to get home and go to the 4 o'clock mass. They're serving. And rest tonight and get to bed early. So I'm pooped. See you later. We are here. It's a little after 9. Let's see, time check. It is 9:24. Just sit up, put sunblock on. Daddy's parking the car somewhere. Hopefully he gets here soon.
I'm gonna walk.
So, isn't it pretty?
No, you're gonna walk in the sand. You're a big girl.
This is Salty Bryan. Emma's going to the water without us. What is she having here? Oh, pail. She's just getting water. So pretty. I haven't been to the beach in a couple of years at least. I don't think we came here last year. Alright, I'm gonna try the water. Let's see. It's probably colder than the lake. Yes, it's colder than the lake. Yeah, the lake was warm. Oh, I don't know if I'm going in that.
Well, if we get hot enough.
Did you feel it? No.
Oh,
See? That's cold. Where's Ben?
The tide's getting off.
Did you go up?
oh, my
Yeah.
ankles are numb.
It's cold. It feels like it's like 70 or so. Because I know like temp-wise with my pool, 70, 72, that's like cold. So the water is freezing. They're looking for shells.
Look at all the shells.
Nice. I'm warming up, like I'm getting more used to it. I mean, it's gonna be shocking to get my whole body in, but. Huh? You gonna go try to go in the water? Come go swimming! Tell him to go swimming. You got enough shells for now. You got shells from the last time we were at the beach. 2 years ago. There's a black one right here, Emma. It might have washed away. Let's see. Oh, it's under here somewhere. Oh, my legs. Hats are cold.
Okay. My knees got wet. I'm good.
Your knees go wet? Block Island Ferry. Bye, guys. Have a good day. The Block Island Ferry.
Where can we put this?
Up near our blanket. And then go swimming. And on the rocks.
Yeah, I know.
They're trying to bury Emma, but they're going at it in a very strange way. Not what I expected. I don't know what they're doing. They got two holes.
My hair.
I don't get it.
Not anybody. Just my head. I don't want that.
I'll let you know when we have it completed. So it doesn't get in our eyes.
That makes no sense.
Ready, Emma? Yep. Oh, it's deep.
Yeah, it's way too deep. I don't know what you're doing.
I can't lay down. No, we're not. I can't fit.
You can't fit? Oh, I don't think it needs to be that deep.
It needs to get wider.
Oh.
I'm gonna start.
Just watch when you get near her face. I didn't think it'd be this buried. Careful near her face. Oh, but put your arms in. Put your arms in. Yeah, and then we'll just worry about your face. Close your mouth. Close your mouth. Go easy near her face. That's not easy. Easy near her head. Stay still, so he knows where not to go. Go gentle, gentle. Sit still. Don't move. All right, bring this pile around the other side. All right, Emma and Ben. Gentle.
Oh, in sand.
That side.
Then listen.
It's for real. We don't want her, like... All right, come on this side with the sand now. Come on this side with the sand so you can get her shoulder.
Yeah, pull the hole.
That's it. Nice and gentle.
Flat it down. Then we're burying Sebastian.
Yeah, kind of. When I pulled it up, I was like,
We're gonna sand
We buried up Ben.
Relax your head.
Where's Ben? I only see his head. Don't step on him. That was him. Holy crap. We are back home from the beach. We've been home for just about an hour. It is 3:35. The lighting is horrible. Well, we took showers and now we're gonna go to Mass. Ben and Emma are serving at 4 o'clock. So we're gonna go now, cook up some pasta, and then rest. Hey guys. Oh, right on my foot? He just sneezed on my foot. It's 7:45. We just got back. We got ice cream from, what's it called?
Coolix.
Coolix. And when we got there, one of our friends, Emma's friend from school, her name is Heather. She has 2 brothers, and her parents were there. So we got to say hello.
That's the fake one.
And yeah, they were happy to see us. I got pistachio.
I got
With,
peanut butter
I had sprinkles. You got peanut butter, soft
with
serve.
rainbow.
I got regular ice cream.
With rainbow sprinkles.
Benjamin got in a cup. What kind? Cookie dough.
Chocolate.
Chip cookie dough. Daddy got his chocolate over there. He's eating. Sebastian got vanilla. I think with sprinkles too. And Teddy didn't get any. Nope. None for you.
We could have. This cool doll, this dog
Yeah.
things.
For a doggy. We didn't get it. After this, they're gonna put pajamas on and go to bed at 9. You gonna sit up better? Alright guys, let's see. I'm gonna sit up.
Me too.
Oof,
Hi.
I'm pretty dark. It is 9 o'clock. They're going to bed. I'll talk this over.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait. Funny.
Casey, good morning, guys. Hey guys, it's 9 o'clock. We're gonna go put the kids to bed, Ben and Emma, and then me and Daddy gonna be in the bedroom. So we're gonna end it here. We had a great day. Right? Tomorrow's our last day with Daddy for our summer vacation 2019.
I got the box.
Oh
No, you got the box. I want the box.
we got the box.
I got the box.
So thanks so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow
my box.
with our last day of our summer
My
vacation.
box. Hi.
Peace.